have another video here. I show how to install a hard drive. I have here from the old PC I had. You like me 2 cables. Have 2. No, you need one of this SATA. And another one that is connected to your power source PCU. This you need to connect the hard drive to the motherboard. Here like a click. Then I'm going to the motherboard, the power source, other SATA, this one, need to connect. Okay, when it's connected to the SATA here, of the power source of the, you have this cable left, I'll show you. Then you need to look to the motherboard. There's written SATA, written like here. So I need to read here like a click, then it's done. See? I can put like 3 more if I have like the space to put it. On the SSD, you just need to put and screw it. Literally easier than using 2 cables. You find where to put it. Like simple and fast.